About America, the superpower. It's a political satire. One time America was a champion of human rights, perhaps to corner the Soviet blocs. And now, in this poem, I'm going through the records of human rights violation in America. So this is a poet has influence over the people. So poets can use this power to change the society. This is wrong, this is right. So with this purpose only, not to criticize anything, but with the purpose to improve things, to change things, and these are the wrong things, don't do. So this is my intention of writing, not just to criticize any group of people. America, the superpower, the champion of human rights, preaches to the world of the great democratic principles. Everybody pays attention, threatened by its military might. From one B, the principles, to another B is 4 lines away. So it's you have to keep that thing, because after 4 lines you forget what was the line before. So B to B is 4-line difference. America, the superpower, the champion of human rights, preaches to the world of the great democratic principles. Everybody pays attention, threatened by its military might. Anyone opposes its wrongful word is a dangerous terrorist. They are not peace lovers, but slogan-shouting criminals. America, the superpower, the teacher of human rights, without charges, can detain anybody for periods indefinite. They cannot have lawyers, cannot defend, but rot in jails. Everybody salutes attention, terrorized by its military might. A labor leader was imprisoned for asking for pension benefit. CEOs play golf, steal millions, but slaves get no medicals. America, the superpower, a campaigner of human rights. A woman got raped, but then the state forced her to give birth. An unwanted child raised with hatred becomes an antisocial. Everybody draws attention, trembling by its military might. One cannot marry one's love, but it is the state who dictate. Builds bomb, tank and spacecraft, but not provide public health. America, the super rich, a stalwart of human rights. Prisoners at Abu Ghraib, Guantanamo Bay meet utter plight. Vicious dogs bite naked men, forcefully emptying testicles. Everybody is overcautious, frightened by its military might. Disregard the ballot by the folks, declared Supreme Court. They have no qualification, no education, all too simple. The Statue of Liberty cries, America, where is human right? Ignoring all nations, with false accusation, went into a fight. Eavesdrops without caring courts, Congress, or rights of people. Everybody pays attention, scared by its military might. Poets and singers can influence easily people's heart. Please use the weapon, as your pain is mightier than a rifle. Listen to a poet, America, sing the glory of human right. Using guillotine, the poor, angry, hungry, weak mob struck. on 14th of July in France, fell the fortress of Bastille. Everybody pays attention. Do not be afraid of military might. People hibernate like volcanoes, dangerous when erupt. Weapons are weaker than the awakened mass, most awful. America, what a caricature, a violator of human right. Nobody can ignore America, afraid of its military might. So this is a quite explosive and very controversial. People can throw stones at me and like that. But I think I did my social...
I think most people agree.
Yeah. Some people might throw something at me. This is the